Backlot is here VIP, so we're gonna drink some room. We're gonna take you to Amity Island. We caught the shark. It's all good. You'll see it hanging up here on the right. There are divers in the water. My roommate, she's supposed to be out there today, and she's been busting my chops all day. She's like, I get to be in the water. It's so great. And how she did it. There's a big shark out there in the water. She's a professional. You know, they're very she'll know that's not her thing. She's a professional. You know, okay, I'll give you some first aid. We'll have some minutes. Clear the area. Repeat, clear the area. Okay, not a joke. It sounds like it, but it's not. Originally, when they floated the idea of making some of the executives were like, oh, we'll just use trained great white sharks. That's not a thing. So instead, they used mechanical great white sharks, right side, left side, full body. And it turns out we just never tested them before. And it found in salt water, which is very corrosive and maintain all the interior workings of the shark. But Jake would have known he didn't put the shark in the Atlantic Ocean and it sank them up.
They did a lot for each other. From here, we're going to be moving on up into the real estate portion of our tour. Coming up here on the left-hand side, we get just a real quick look at our Elm Street. Now, there's no nightmares on this Elm Street. It's a different one.
Takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.